Hey everyone, Kevin here with Victory 4x4. In this video, we're going to be installing our washer bottle skid for the 4th and 5th gen Toyota 4Runners. Now this skid is going to be a great option for anybody running a high clearance front bumper, such as our front strike that you see here, as it does leave this washer bottle exposed out here on the right hand side of things. So this should be a pretty quick and easy install. You're just going to need a 12mm socket to get started. You're going to be removing the one bolt in here on the frame just behind this main bumper mounting location. And then here on the 4th gen 4Runner, we have this tab that kind of hangs off the side that's going to need to be cut off and removed. So one word of caution with this is right behind the little gussets and right where it ties into the washer bottle skid on here is the actual fluid containing portion of the skid. So don't go too crazy trying to get that all the way flush and cleaned up and removed. Just take off what you need to get your skid to fit in place. Now with that tab removed, you can then grab the skid, you'll slide it in place here, and you'll need to get it behind that line bracket there on the frame, and then find the M8 flanged hex head bolt that we provide. Go ahead and get it started in that hole. You can then find the remaining M12 bolt with a washer. We're going to be threading that through this bracket and into the lower threaded hole here on the side of the frame, just behind this tow hook. So go ahead and line that up and get it started. Now with all your hardware started, you do have some adjustability in the skid. So go ahead and get that located typically as high as possible, as long as it's not contacting the washer bottle itself. And then using a either 12 or 13mm socket out here, pay attention to that on the bolt that you receive. You can tighten this up. And then switching over to a 19, you can come down here and tighten up that remaining bottom bolt. So that's really all it takes to get this installed. The only real difference you'll encounter on a 5th gen 4Runner will be this tab up here. Should not really be there, shouldn't interfere with your skid in that application. Other than that, if you have any questions at all about this installation or anything else we offer here at Victory 4x4, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can always email us at info@victory4x4.com or call us at 269-459-8447.